Hi everyone, I would like to welcome all of my old and new subscribers worldwide. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, which will be based on a look that I've created using some eyeshadows from a custom-made palette that I have on hand. If you are new to my channel, I usually put on my makeup while I cover topics that come to mind. If that is your cup of tea, I highly encourage you to stick around, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All the products that I've used will be listed in the description area below. If you would like to see how I achieved this look, then stay tuned. As I get into this look, I'm going to share my honest thoughts about Halloween, how it's being celebrated, and how I spend Halloween in general. Halloween originated in different sources. Some say it may have started around the 19th century in America in particular. But it has some sort of dark history behind it where evil spirits and stuff come out. Some sources say people dress up for Halloween just for warding off evil spirits and just for entertainment in general. I used to celebrate Halloween as a kid, where I used to go out for trick-or-treating and go to Halloween events at my local mall. It's been a long time since I've been trick-or-treating as a kid, but I believe the last time I celebrated Halloween was about 10 years ago. I've seen adults throw Halloween parties, but I don't see a whole lot of events in my area unless I go and look it up on the internet. I personally don't celebrate Halloween due to the dark history that's behind it. I normally just either go to work or I just stay in and watch movies. One of my favorite movies that I like to watch around this time of year is Hocus Pocus, and I always like to watch the Halloween Charlie Brown program that used to come on TV every year. If you have any sort of Halloween traditions or any particular way that you celebrate Halloween, feel free to let me know down in the comments below. I love the fact that people do special effects with makeup during the Halloween season. Makeup in general reminds me of painting. I also look at painting videos sometimes on YouTube as well. Even though I don't usually celebrate Halloween, I still think that it's fun to be able to play with makeup and create different looks with it. When I used to celebrate Halloween, I used to get my face painted as a kid, which I also enjoyed as well. I've actually went to a couple of Halloween parties before. I was around 19 and 20 at the time. One year I dressed up as a nerd, and the other I had dressed up as one of those 80s girls. I had went with my grandfather and he had went as a clown, which was kind of funny because when he was living, sometimes he would dress up in funny outfits to try to make people laugh and things of that sort. If any of you guys have any favorite memories of Halloween or just fall in general, feel free to let me know down in the comments below. I thought about doing glitter for this look, but I decided to keep it matte. I just wanted to have the dark lips for this look stand out. What I also love about the fall season in general is when I see the leaves change color and the temperature gets colder, where we can dress up in different sweaters and coats. But my most favorite part of fall is Thanksgiving, where we get to spend time with family and have Thanksgiving meals as well. I'm really looking forward to the holidays coming up despite all of this year's challenges and struggles. It's been a really tough year for me and my family, but I'm grateful to be here. For this eyeshadow look, I want the wing to be kind of large. Now I'm going to be applying some mascara like so. going to be applying some eyelash glue, and I'm going to allow it to get tacky for 1 minute. Now next I'm going to be applying some false eyelashes. I love the way these lashes complement the eyeshadow and wing liner so well. This eye look is perfect for when you want to achieve that cat-like eye feature. Now I'm going to add some black eyeliner to the lower lash line area. Black eyeliner is perfect for this look, and it's great for Halloween as well. Now I'm using the same brown eyeshadow from the same eyeshadow palette to blend out my black eyeliner. Now I'm using a clean fluffy brush to blend out the edges. Next, I'm going to be using some facial primer and applying it like so. It looks like I put a little too much foundation, but that's alright because I'm going to be going over it with a sponge. I can use the extra coverage anyway because I have acne prone skin and the scars to prove it. Now I'm going to be using some concealer to highlight like so. A little bit of this concealer goes a really long way because as you can tell here I put a little bit too much, but like I said, I'm going to be blending it out with a sponge. The one thing I love about makeup is that you could make a mistake and you can always fix it easily. Now next I'm going to be using the same foundation brush to blend out the edges of my concealer like so. May have mentioned Bob Ross, the painter, on my channel a couple of times, but I look at his videos sometimes and see all of his beautiful paintings, and he would say, like, when you mess up, you don't mess up, you have happy accidents. Bob Ross would also say that in a painting you can create any world that you want, and the same concept goes with makeup. You can create any look that you want, whether it's natural or dramatic or anything your heart desires. For my blush, I decided to take 2 different shades to make a neutral rosy pink color. Now for my contour, I'm just going to do it lightly because I don't want it to be too heavy. I want the eyes and the lips to do all the talking. Now I'm going to be using that foundation brush once again to blend out the edges. Now with a sponge, I'm going to be applying my setting powder and blending out my base at the same time. Next, I'm going to be setting my contour in place by using Benefit's Hoola Toasted Bronzer. And I received this recently as a gift by a family member. I want to give a thank you shout out to my family member by the name of Sharon, who gave me this gift. Now I'm going to be setting my cream blush into place by using a matching pink shade that I've used earlier as a cream blush. From the same palette that I use for blush and contour and highlight, I'm going to be applying the highlight that's shown here. Honestly didn't do too much for the face as far as the colored blush and the highlight. I kind of wanted my eyes and my lips to stand out. Now here I'm just setting my entire face and blending out the harsh edges. Now I'm obviously using my setting spray to keep everything in place. Now next I'm going to be using NYX lip pencil in the shade Blackberry, like so. And it's going to be a base for the lipstick that I'm going to be applying next. The lipstick that I am going to be applying will be the star of the show. Now, last but not least, I'm going to be applying the Lip Bars Back to Black lipstick, which has a matte finish. I always wanted to do a black lipstick tutorial for a while, and this will be a perfect time of the year to wear this color. Well, the look is all complete. I sure hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for all of my new videos. Until next time, take care and stay blessed, y'all.